ambayo yalikuwa yako na amani. Hivyo basi askari wameweza kuamua kutumia vitoza machozi na hatimaye kuweza kuwatamua vijana hawa. Pengine kakangu, unaona kwamba umeweza kuandamana katika muda si mrefu. Pengine ni nini hasa ambacho umeenda kwamba kwa sasa umeweza kutibuliwa?
Sisi tukianza maandamano tumeanza na amani, kila mtu ameona tumekuwa na amani. Lakini polisi wameanza ujinga, wameanza kututupia tear gas. Sisi tulikuwa tuko na peace, tuko peaceful demonstration. Hatujaribu kitu ya mtu, hatujaribu anything. Alafu wanaanza kututupia tear gas. Tumekosa nini sisi? Ni vibaya kulilia haki zetu? Ni vibaya kulilia haki yetu? Sisi hatutakoma kuandamana, tutaandamana mpaka matakwa yetu yasikizwe. Kitu cha kwanza, Mudavadi lazima aende nyumbani. 60 years and above mtu wetu kwa ofisi ya government afai kuweko. Kitu ya pili tunataka justice ifanyike kwa wenzetu ambao wamefanyaje, ambao wamepigwa. Tunapigwa mpaka live bullets. Imagine wale wenzetu ambao wameuliwa, tunataka haki, watendewe haki. Wasipotendewa haki, tutaendelea kuandamana mpaka kieleweke. Halafu mwisho nikimalizia, Ruto must go. Ruto lazima resign. Akiresign basi.
Shukrani sana. Pengine kama kijana, pengine unaweza kusema nini?
Ruto lazima aende kwa sababu sisi tumechoka sasa. Kwa sababu kila sisi tumeanza maandamano vizuri, ila wao ndio tuharibia sisi maandamano. Sisi tumekuja na amani, hakuna mali tumevunja. Kama kuna mali tumevunja tuonyeshe sasa hii. Tutakubali matokeo. Kwa sababu sisi tumekuja na amani, wao ndio wanataka tumalize maandamano. Na sisi tumesema tukubali. Na Ruto must go.
Pengine tukimalizia kakangu, jina lako tu nani, unatuambie maoni yako ni yapi?
Kwa majina naitwa Salim Kombo. Na upande wa maandamano leo amekuwa na peace kutoka asubuhi, lakini imefikia muda maaskari wameanza kuchokoza vijana. Tulikuwa na maandamano ya amani, wakaanza kurusha matia gas. Walipoanza kurusha matia gas, vijana tukubali, tukabidi tujibizane nao. Na imefika mahali mpaka sasa wametupoteza, lakini stand yetu ni kwamba Ruto aende Sugoi. Sawa? Shida ni moja. Anatuambia mauaji yanatokea kwa Wangware pale, wanasema ni vijana wameuliwa. Lakini ni kwamba vijana wale walioandamana leo wanauliwa kinyama. Nasikia? Lakini hashtag yetu Ruto must go Sugoi.
Shukrani sana. Pengine kakangu kumalizia, una yapi maoni yako?
Kwa majina mimi naitwa Amos. Na kulingana na maandamano ya siku ya leo, yalikuwa maandamano ya amani zaidi. Ile kwa kitu ya kushangaza, ghafla polisi wakawa wameanza kuvurugu, mara wanarusha tear gas, wengine mpaka wengine tulikuwa tunaendelea na kazi yetu, maana maandamano ni maandamano ya amani. Vijana wanaandamana kwa amani kwa barabara wakitaka haki zao. Lakini imetokea tu ghafla wakaanza kurusha tear gas, wanaleta vurugu. Sasa kumaanisha kwamba hiyo serikali ndio hiyo ambayo inataka, ndio hiyo ambayo inaleta tena vurugu. Baada wao ndio kutulinda sisi watu waendelee na amani kwa maandamano, wao ndio wakuanzisha vurugu. Sasa kama watakuwa wanaanzisha vurugu, kwa maana maandamano itafanyika kweli?
Ndio maana sasa mmeweza kuanza kutumia mawe pia.
Hamna, si kwamba ni mambo na mawe, ila kwa sababu ili katika harakati ya kuweza kutetea kutoroka kwa sababu ya tear gas, sababu naona polisi wamejihamu, wanarusha tear gas na wengine pia wanarusha mpaka live bullets. Mmeziona pia nyinyi. Sasa wengine mpaka wengine tumekuja makazi, hatuwezi fanya kazi kwa sababu ya maandamano, wanatumia violence.
Shukrani sana. Naam, umeweza kuona masuala mazima yakiweza kuendelea, vijana wameweza kutibuliwa na hatimaye basi imekuwa ni mguu na niponye katika barabara hii ya Sabasaba, na ni kwamba kwa sasa vijana wameweza kukaribiana na polisi wakiweza kurusha tear gas, na vile pia vijana wakiweza kurushia askari mawe. Kwa hivyo ni masuala ambayo vijana wanaweza kutibuliwa, baadaye wanaweza kujikusanya tena na baadaye kuweza kurudi tena kushika doria katika barabara hii ya Sabasaba. Kwa sasa usafiri umeweza kutibuliwa ama umeweza kutatizwa katika barabara hii ya Sabasaba, huku askari wakiweza kuandamana, wakiweza kurusha vitoa machozi kuwatawanya na kama unavyoona pigaji picha yangu Boniface Msangi akiweza kuelekeza kamera, ni kwamba tayari kuna vijana ambao walikuwa washaanza kurusha mawe, na ndipo basi askari hawa tayari wameweza kuwakabili angalau waweze kufungua barabara hii, usafiri uweze kurudi kwa sawa. Kwa sasa hali ndivyo ilivyo katika maeneo haya ya eneo hili la Sabasaba. Kutoka kaunti ya Mombasa, jina langu ni Fredrick Kai. na kuregesha kwako studio, lakini tutaweza kushika doria tuweze kuona ni yepi pengine yataweza kutamatika katika maeneo haya. Vijana wataweza kusalimu amri na hatimaye kuweza kurudi makwao, ama itakuwa hali ni kama hii ya mguu niponye mpaka pale ambapo watakaona kwamba kwao ni sawa. Kutoka kaunti ya Mombasa, jina langu ni Fred Kai, kwako studio.
Fred Kai kutufahamisha yanayoendelea upande wa Mombasa. Na riu tugitigana na ciĩgie mirurungano, andu matanyihire ngirinya nio makuire kumana na mitino ya nio makuite kumana na mitino ya barabara mwaka muhituku, na mitino eno yacungiririo ni kwaga kihariro kuma kuri ahuthiri a barabara. Na kuringana na ruhonge rwa NTSA hindi ya kuruguria mubango wigie umenyereri wa barabara ni ati mari mihango-ini ya guthomithia muingi bata wa kurumirira mawatho ma barabara niguo kurigiriria ikuo barabara-ini.
African countries don't seem to be doing quite well, and in fact we've noted that there's been an increase in the number of fatalities by 17%, while there's a reduction in other countries. So this is totally unacceptable, and especially the fact that African region has the smallest number of vehicles, and in fact the paved roads is, if you compare it globally, we contribute only to 1%. So 1% contribution of fatalities, and with this increase, is something which is not acceptable. And you must have noted also in the report the issue to do with the border, which is actually seem to be predominantly an African problem, as you might have seen in the report. So this report was launched, and is going to give us an impetus as a community of nations in Africa to push forward in our other strategic plan. In Kenya, this report comes in the wake of our launch of the National Road Safety Action Plan in April this year by the President of the Republic of Kenya, Dr. William Samoei Ruto. And basically for us, it gives us a pointer, or it becomes a baseline of as we implement our Road Safety Action Plan in the next 5 years. So we have begun. Of course, there are challenges around the same which we've identified, and we had even identified some of them in the National Road Safety Action Plan, and that's why we had put actions. We talked about issues to do with legislation and policy. We're going to work on some of those, including working towards reduction of speed limit from 30 kilometers, from 50 kilometers in urban settings to 30, especially on high residential areas, including schools where children go to school, including markets, among as many others, and other range of policy which the government through the Ministry of Roads and Transport have already initiated, and we'll be doing a number of them. We also note, and you've indicated that some vehicles in this country are seen to be not roadworthy, at least from the reports. And what you're doing is that we are increasing our capacity as government through NTSA, of course, where I work, to do more motor vehicle inspections for vehicles across the country, including private vehicles, because that currently is not happening.
Na riu kiama engineer bururi-ini IEK nigithingatite mutongoria wa bururi William Ruto gukuruhania ataramu a honge itiganite hindi ya kwamura ndudu njeru ya minister mugaru na kwamura atongoria a kiuteti na mithingi ya ndurire iria maumite makiaria hindi ya gikaro na ndikia mohoro. President wa IEK Engineer Shama Kiteme augite riri ni ihinda ria bata hari bururi guthondeka muthingi wa rucio, noguo ni hari bata atongoria na muingi wothe wa bururi kuyukia mweke uyu na kugacirithia ukuria wa bururi.
As the Institution of Engineers of Kenya, we represent engineers and largely the interests of Kenyans, because engineering is a big factor of development all over the world. And so, as the president goes about setting up a government of national unity, we want to opine that it should not be a government of unity of politicians from different regions. Those are two different things. We want unity of Kenyans. And we want specifically to emphasize on professionalism. As the president goes about making appointments, we want to request him to consider engaging more professionals and engage professionals in their respective areas of expertise.
The government on the initiatives of better. However, we want now to emphasize the need to focus on the issue of pending bills. This is a matter that has a potential if addressed, to bring immediate relief to many businesses. We have some of our members who have gone for months without salaries because of this issue of pending bills. Others have lost jobs, and many engineering firms have either downsized or closed shop. If we address this pending bills issue, we believe that we'll open up opportunities for many jobless young people. In that regard, and in conjunction with the conversation on industrialization, we propose a focus on, number one, state-of-art modern transportation systems that will reduce business costs, and this includes transportation, energy, water supply and sanitation, telecommunications. All these are key infrastructure undertakings that engineers have interests.
Na tugithie na mbere mbeũ njĩthĩ kuma mwena wa Kandara kaunti-inĩ ya Murang'a nĩmoretio meyũmbe ikundi nĩguo mahote kũgunĩka na kĩgĩna kĩa Uwezo Fund. Na akĩria hĩndĩ ya ũheani wa kĩgĩna gĩkĩ, mũmbunge wa Kandara Chege Njuguna augĩte mbeũ njĩthĩ matikoretwo makĩoya mbeca cia Uwezo ona thengia wa gũkorwo kana ya gũkorwo itikoragwo na marĩhi ma njoherera.
Areta njĩra ĩmwe ya kũhĩtana na wagi wa mawĩra kũrĩ mbeũ njĩthĩ, mũmbunge wa Kandara Chege Njuguna nĩoretie ayuthi metĩkĩre kwĩyũmba ikundi-inĩ nĩguo mahote kũheo mbeca cia thirikari na iria mekũhũthĩra harĩ kwandandũra mĩeke ya mawĩra.
Gĩothe rĩu witũ wa Kanjĩra-inĩ twakĩhe ciringi 150
Akiaria hĩndĩ ya ũheani wa kĩgĩna gĩkĩ na kĩrĩa nĩ kĩa makĩria ma ciringi mirioni 5 na kĩrĩa gĩthukĩirwo mũigana wa ikundi itanyihĩire 64, mũmbunge ũyũ augĩte kĩgĩna gĩkĩ kĩngĩonjorithio wega no gĩkorwo gĩkĩa ũguni mũnene harĩ ũkũria wa gĩcigo gĩkĩ.
Mbeca ici moya nĩ icokagio mathiĩ meyonjorithie harĩa marutagĩra wĩra na metĩkĩre gũcicokia nĩgetha mwaka ũyũ ũngĩ tũrathiĩ tuone mbeca ingĩ nyingĩ cia kũhe ikundi o ici cia Kandara nĩgetha andũ aitũ a Kandara maruta wĩra mona mbeca ici meyonjorithie nacio mbeca nĩ tũkona nacio tũgĩikia mũhuko-inĩ nĩgetha Kandara tũgacĩrithie na tũtware Kandara na mbere.
Ona kũrĩ o ũguo, Chege nĩikĩtie rĩtana kũrĩ ayuthi kuma gĩcigo-inĩ gĩkĩ akĩmoria moe mweke ũyũ meyandĩkithie harĩ kwamũkĩra kĩgĩna kĩa Youth Fund na kĩrĩa augĩte aingĩ ao matirũmbũyanagia nakĩo.
Ngũhoya kwĩ yuthi aitũ a Kandara tondũ gĩtũmi nĩ tondũ ndĩna mbeca cia Youth Fund, kĩrĩa njagĩte nĩ ikundi cia Youth Fund. Youth Fund nĩ mũndũ wothe wĩna mĩaka 35 gũcoka na thĩ, our young mothers, our young fathers, nĩ ngũmĩhoya moke gũkũ ofici cia Youth Fund gũkũ Kandara ma-apply mbeca icio nĩ ciao, nĩ igoti rĩrĩa marengetwo.
Oho Peter Maina na ũrĩa nĩ DCC gĩcigo-inĩ gĩa Kandara augĩte atĩ nĩguo gũtigĩrĩra ayuthi nĩ meyũmba ikundi ici hena bata mũnene wa kwamba kũingĩra matũũra-inĩ nĩguo gũthomithia na gũthingata ayuthi kuoya kĩgĩna gĩkĩ.
Na nĩwaigua nĩ promise ũhoro wa yuthi. Ona niĩ nĩ ngwĩra macibo makwa nĩ tũgũthiĩ macinani na tũkĩrie yuthi ikundi cianjie kũbanga na cinyitane nĩgetha ciũke tondũ mbeca icio ciĩkwa mheshimiwa cietereire ikundi ciũke nĩgetha iheo.
Amwe a arĩa mamũkĩrĩte mbeca ici nĩ matarĩirie gĩkeno kĩao, aingĩ makiuga ũrĩa mbeca ici ikoretwo irĩ cia ũguni mũnene harĩ kũgacĩrithia mĩtũrĩre yao makĩria mahinda-inĩ maya thogora wa mũtũrĩre wambatĩrĩte.
Nĩ tũracokia ngatho mũno nĩ tondũ ũrĩa ona twaigua wĩna mũbango wa ayuthi aitũ arĩa marĩ macinani nĩ matondũ amwe matirĩ wĩra moya kĩndũ ta kĩu na ithuĩ nĩ tũkũgeria kũmamobilize rĩrĩa twathiĩ macinani.
Mahoya na ndĩmorie na gĩtĩo, Chege wa Njuguna nĩatwĩra mũthenya ũmũthĩ nĩ arĩ na mbeca cia youth na mbeca icio matangĩnjiunga na ikundi nĩgetha mathondeke ikundi ciao moke gwĩ Chege wa Njuguna gũtirĩ hĩndĩ mangĩciona.
Na Uwezo Fund ti rĩa mbere kuoya ta ithuĩ atumia, nĩ tuoyete rĩa mbere na tũgacokia na nĩkĩo tũrakena tondũ nĩ tuongereirwo na nĩ tũkũhũrwo njeki.
Ngĩribotera Kameme TV, njĩtagwo Mũthoni wa Wanjohi.
Na riu ataramu a uthuthuria guku bururi-ini nimaikitie mateta kumana na gukundera gwa kigina kiria githukagirwo uthuthuria guku bururi-ini. Riu thirikari ikiurio itige gutirika ruhonge ruru na kuringana na ataramu kuma university itiganite kwa ihinda ria miaka 10 mihituku kigina kiria githukagirwo uthuthuria wa GI Science kinyihite kuma ciringi bilioni 2 nginyagia ciringi milioni 500 undu uria ni ugwati munene.
Ni kigomano kia thuthuria kuma university itiganite kiria gitifanitio kwaririria maundu matiganite megemaini na uthuthuria wa science guku bururi-ini. Kigomano-ini giki uthuthurio kagweto gukorwo tirikitwo thengia bata waguo munene riu kigina kiria githukagirwo ruhonge ruru gigithie thi kuma ciringi bilioni 2 nginyagia milioni 500 handu-ini ha miaka 10.
We are funded through the government financial year, and of course research takes more than the government financial year, so most research run between 1 to 3 years.
Kuringana na ataramu ruhonge-ini ruru gitero kia Africa nikio kigomagirwo ni ng'ukiria nyingi thiini wa thi indi nikuo gukoragwo na namba nini makiria ataramu a uthuthuria undu ria ugwetetwo ta ugwati munene.
We occupy about 18% of the global population, and so in a commensurate manner we expect that even research is being done in the same way. Unfortunately, that is not the case, and we are having about 1.1% of the research outputs in Africa accounting for the global research outputs. We are also having about 1% of the researchers coming from the African region.
Kuringana na murugamiri munene wa kigina kia uthuthuria bururi-ini Professor Dickson Andala, kwa ihinda riri kigina giki kihotete guteithiriria mathukuru 19 ma ngathi cia iguru na kugikorwo na kigina makiria mathukuru makiria no magunike.
Supported 19 research institutions and universities to the tune of 1 billion in terms of infrastructural grants, and these infrastructural grants go towards buying equipment to support research in our institutions, and we've worked with private sector including APHRC to mobilize funds to support research ecosystem in the country.
And we are very much focused on using research to strengthen achievement of our bottom-up economic transformation agenda, which, as you know, addresses the grassroots.
Mwena-ini wake mwandiki mukaru ruhonge-ini rwa githomo kia ngathi cia iguru Beatrice Nyangala oritie ma university gwetikira kuingira ngirimiti na mathukuru mangi ma uthuthuria makiria kuma nja ya bururi niguo kwagirithia ruhonge ruru.
As a government, we mobilize resources not only from the exchequer but also from our funding partners. So this 0.8% consists of what we put together as government and from our partners.
We really need to have very, very strong collaboration between the university and industry, and also bring on board the people at industry into the university setup so that we can do what is actually required in practice outside there to grow the economy.
Adunia Kameme TV retera kone Bataro wa Mwagi.
Na maafitha a borithi aria mahurukite wira ni mahinyiririe aruna ao aria mari wira-ini ihinda riri kwaga kuhuthira hinya mukiruku riria mari wira-ini wao makiaria mari kanitha-ini wa Gatoreki wa Kirugoya kaunti-ini ya Kirinyaga hindi ya igongona ria gucokia ngatho utungata-ini wao kuri bururi no moritie a Kenya gutia maafitha a borithi kuona ona no makoragwo mari andu mari rungu rwa watho. Wainene wa kiarie ena riboti ino.
Indi ya igongona ria gucokia ngatho ria maabitha borithi aria mahurukite wira kaunti-ini ya Kirinyaga ni maikitie ritana kuri a Kenya gutianaga na maabitha borithi niguo kugiriria ngucanio. Maabitha ya tene maugite ati maabitha borithi aria mari ku ihinda-ini riri mangitikira kwagaga kuhuthira hinya mukiruku a Kenya no makorwo matari na ngucanio nene nao guku nao a Kenya makiorio gwitikagira kurumira watho niguo kunina ngucanio gatagati kao.
Ugie na thayo tondu thigari ciraruta wira ni ciana citu nacio ciana icio iraikia mahiga no ciana citu riu tukarigwo atiri tuguteu riu no ndimuheire inyuothe tugie na thayo muraia ahe muthigari giteo nake muthigari ahe muraia giteo niguo bururi witu uthie na mbere tondu tutire na bururi ngi wa guthamira
nao borithi maririkane atĩ aya othe megũkũ wananchi nĩ aciari ao na ciana ciao. Koguo tukiruta wira thĩinĩ wa bũrũri ũyũ tuhana police officers tukaheaga wananchi gĩtĩo na wananchi tukamahoya mahe borithi gĩtĩo nigetha bũrũri ũyũ witũ ũgĩe thayũ.
Igongona rĩrĩ rĩtongoretio nĩ Father John Wachira wa kanitha wa Gatoreki wa Mary Immaculate Kĩrũgũya nĩorĩtie Kenya ihinda-inĩ rĩrĩ kũrĩ na ndũgamano he bata kũgĩe na thayũ, ũiguano na gũkiranĩrĩria gatagatĩ ka Kenya na maabitha borithi nĩguo kũnina ndũgamano ĩno.
Ithuothe tũkoragwo tũrĩ rungu rwa Ngai witũ ũrĩa watũmbire. Moimĩte thĩinĩ wa kaunti ya Kĩrĩnyaga mĩena na mĩena magoka o kwĩra Ngai nĩ wega. Ningĩ tũhoe hamwe nĩ ũndũ wa bũrũri witũ nĩ ũndũ nĩ tũrona kwĩna wĩitangĩki wa thakame na nĩ tũrona kwĩna ngucanio gatagatĩ ka borithi na a Kenya.
Maugĩte kuona maabitha borithi no andũ he bata Kenya makaririkanaga kwaga gũikagĩria maabitha borithi mahiga ĩndĩ makagĩaga na mĩeke ya kwaranĩria hĩndĩ ĩrĩa kwagĩa na ngucanio.
Magĩtwarithia wĩra mũthemba ũcio ndĩna mani ũhoro wa ma marore proportionalism nigetha atĩ nĩ kuga ndũkahũthĩre hinya makĩria ya ũrĩa mũndũ ũrĩa ũngĩ arahũthĩra. Maũndũ marĩa ũreka reke makorwo me thĩinĩ wa sheria na ukorwo umenye ati wewe muthigari gĩko kĩrĩa ũreka we you will be bound to account for yourself individually.
Na tutire ciana ingĩ tũgũciara tiga icio iroragana na twatigwo tutarĩ ciana tũgũthiĩ naku. Koguo ndamũhoera mũgĩe na thayũ mũtige haro ogĩikie higa ũmenye ũragwetha mũrũ wa nyũkwa ũrĩikia rithathi ũroraga mũrũ wa nyũkwa. Kwa hivyo Ngai amũiguĩre tha Ngai atũhonokie na atũninĩra maũndũ macio mũcukacuka ũcio wĩ Kenya nĩguo tũthiĩ na mbere.
Maugĩte ihinda-inĩ ta rĩrĩ bũrũri ũkoretwo na ngucanio he bata Kenya gwĩtĩkĩra kwaga gũkĩrũka wĩyathi ũrĩa mahetwo gĩgatiba nĩguo kũhũthagia wĩra wa maabitha borithi na arĩa magĩrĩirwo kũheanaga ũgitĩri kũrĩ bũrũri. Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV kaunti-inĩ ya Kĩrĩnyaga njĩtagwo Wainaina wa Kĩarie.
Riboti yo ya Wainaina wa Kĩarie niyo ĩgũtũhingira kwa ihinda rĩrĩ no wega ngorwo ngĩkũmenyithia no tũrathiĩ na mbere kũng'etia marĩa mothe megũkorwo makĩyumĩria mũthenya wa ũmũthĩ makonainie na mĩrũrũngano ya mbeũ njĩthĩ mũno makĩria gũkũ mũciĩ wa Nairobi oro hamwe na kaunti itiganĩte. Nĩ tũgũkorwo tũgĩkũmenyithia marĩa mothe megũkorwo makĩyumĩria kwa ihinda rĩrĩ nĩ wega mũno makĩria nĩ ũndũ wa ũnyitanĩri waku. Thiĩ na mbere gũtũcagũra gũkũ gwa Kameme TV. Mũtaũri witũ na njĩra ya ciĩko auma waga Kiwa Muthoni niĩ rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Mũmbi wa Chege. TDI thayũ.